Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, so, hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I start, I would just like to say I am feeling a little bit sick. Sorry if I sound different, but that's why. So this is going to be a series. I'm going to be showing my thinking process on how I make games. This isn't necessarily a tutorial for straight up beginners, but if you know some coding, yeah, then I guess you can consider this a tutorial. Um, anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to start with importing some modules. We're going to import Pygame. We're going to import JSON, random, CSV, and sys. We're going to do game loop. We're going to do a create map and a def player. Whoops. And we're going to do great. Okay, let's start. Let's start by creating the window. Well, we're going to make it 800 by 350 just for now. I will increase this later. We will also do whoops, sorry. We will also do, we're going to call the pygame.display.setCaption. I'm going to call it game for now. That should be good enough. What else do we need? Okay. We are going to create this is going to hold pause of the player, which is going to be 32. And we're going to hold something like coins, which I don't think we will use because I have an idea for a game, but we might have it anyways in case the game changes. Oh, we forgot to do that. We're going to do while playing is equal to true while playing, and we're in here we are going to do events and redraw for event in pygame.event.get if event.type is equal to pygame.quit pygame.quit system.exit. So right now I'm creating a game loop, and I'm going to make it so the window gets updated. So win.update right now pygame.display.update. We're going to do win.fill black. Oh, I forgot the clock. Clock is equal to pygame.time.clock pygame.init. We're going to need to set up the clock.tick. Going to the 60 frames for now. And yeah, this should be the basic window. Great. Now we have the basic window. It runs when we Control B it. Great. We need to create the map now. So we're going to do for row in range. We're going to say about 8 tiles for now. Wait, forgot something. Images, music, put music here, pygame.mixer.init, but we're not going to do that. Tile1 is equal to pygame.image.load, going to tile2, tile2.png. What else? We will do the player. But I won't do that player now. Might as well, just so I don't remember, we're going to do player, and just so I don't forget, for column in range 8 targets, because this is gonna be an isometric game, we're going to do iso y is equal to target x is equal to target y is equal to. We also need tile size. Let's do 64 for now. We're going to do +1 x +1. This way, every time the for loop finishes, it's going to add 1 to the x, and it's going to continue the map generation, if you can call it that. So we're going to do x times tile size divided by 2, and y times tile size. ISOX is going to be target x minus target y, target x plus target y. Then we're going to do win.blit. Oh, I forgot to convert there. When blit, and we're going to say tile 1. Here we're going to do iso x, iso y, and I should blit the what's the error? I see the error. I see the error too here. We gotta make these capitals. Oops, not a new file, sorry. And we're going to oh, I'm kinda blind. Control B now. Yep, there we go. It is running. But I messed something up. What did I mess up? What the hell? We're going to do tile1 dot set color key there. There. We got the tiles working. We're going to put this to be 400. Wait, no, wrong place to type this. I'm going to put this 360 plus 100 and how about that? Yeah, now we can see the tiles. Great. Now let's go work on the player. If keys pygame dot, let's say we're going to make this a WASD sort of movement. Pygame going to copy this. I forgot when the blitz. We forgot the player. Player images. Player is equal to Pygame image load. I'm going to that converts. We're going to say data info, and we're going to put pause here. Great, now our character can move, but I do think we need to resize this. And before we can resize this, I'm going to with open what did I call last time? Data pause.txt as file. JSON.load, and we're going to say here data info file. And I'm going to copy paste this, go to the main game loop. Here, before it quits, we're going to do dump. Should work now. Oh, I know what happened. I don't think this will work, but let's try it anyways. Yeah, it doesn't work. What's the error, mister? Great, now we got it to work. We're going to set the color key for player image that set color key black to great, now we have the player working. And one last thing before I end the video, I'm going to resize the window. I'm going to call this frame actually. And I'm going to call it screen because Pygame surface, and then I'm going to call, let's say 400 by 125. Then down here we are going to do frame dot split Pygame dot transform. Actually no, basically what I'm doing right now is changing the resolution because this is way too big, but I still want the screen to be big. So I'm going to do Pygame dot transform dot scale. And we're going to say screen that should work. Oh wait, what is the error? Okay, I messed something up. No, that's not it. Should work. I don't know why it doesn't work. I know. I think I know. This is way too much. Way too big. Let's do this by 300. Yeah, that was it. That was it. Sorry. But I'm going to do something like 512, 256. This is just so I can divide it if necessary. And we're going to go down here. I'm going to say 256, 128. Great. I messed something up. Now it should work, yeah. The speed's a bit too slow, so let's go change that. Let's change it to 1.5. And yeah, this is it for the first tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. And in the next one, we're going to be editing and continuing work. So yeah.